Hi, precious one. Good to see you in this one. Good to see you in this one. In this video, we are talking about Bitcoin and Ethereum are going to make the next millionaires. Why you should consider investing in cryptocurrencies. Many people have decided not to listen to anything about Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, Ethereum, and so on and so forth. Their risk tolerance level is very low, such that they don't want to hear anything that is considered risky. It is very important that you understand what cryptocurrencies are. Cryptocurrencies are not just mere speculations. Cryptocurrencies are considered digital assets. These fundamental understanding about cryptocurrency, talking about Bitcoin and Ethereum, will enable you to know what we are talking about or what we are dealing with. If you study them well, you know where we are going to. And in this video, I aim to take you through what they are and what they seek to do. All right, thank you for listening to that. Let's look at Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin? Before you even invest in Bitcoin, before you invest in Ethereum to join the next millionaires that they are going to create, you need to understand what they are. So fundamentally, what is Bitcoin? You need to understand that. Okay, so when we talk about Bitcoin, we are looking at a cryptocurrency, a virtual currency designed to act as money and a form of payment outside the control of any one person, group, or entity, and thus removing the need for the third party involvement in financial transactions. So to explain all that I have read to you, all that you can see on the screen in simple terms, all that Bitcoin, BTC wants to do is to eliminate or to take the place of banks. So all that bankings are doing, all that the various banks, Barclays, Lloyds, Revolut, Monzo, think of any banks in your country or in any state you find yourself. The key thing to understand that what these bankings are doing in financial transaction is what Bitcoin wants to take away. So if you ask me, will it succeed? I will say absolutely yes. Bitcoin is going to succeed in taking the place of all the banks. Now the question is, are we looking at an era where there wouldn't be any banks? Banks will become dormant. And the smart banks, what the smart banks will do will be to incorporate Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies in their operation. In that case, Bitcoin has to succeeded. Yes. So when I think about Bitcoin, in fact, I think about an era that is, let's say, linked to what Christians or believers talk about, the Antichrist era, where all monies are going to, like, the whole world is going to spend one currency, and that one currency can be controlled by one particular source. That is what is going to happen. I'm not talking about Antichrist in this video, but I want you to understand that the Bitcoin, the cryptocurrencies are going to reign. All currency, the whole world, all world currencies will submit to Bitcoin. And that's what's going to happen. And this is very important. If you understand this, you know where we are going. So that is Bitcoin. Now let's look at Ethereum. So when we talk about Ethereum, it is an open source blockchain that is known for its smart contracts functionality, and which serves as the basis for cryptocurrencies, for the cryptocurrency Ethereum. So basically, this might be like, some terms have been mentioned here, so it might be quite complex to the average person, but this is what it means. All that Ethereum wants to do is to provide cyber security. It's like to provide safe, because listen, everything is going to be run digitally, and it is not going to be controlled by Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, the world finance. They are not going to be controlled by one party, one group, or one entity. Therefore, the level of cyber security the banks are operating today there needs to be a cyber security system that is greater than that. So AI taking over the world, all companies are going to need strong data protection. And that is what Ethereum stands for. So Ethereum is going to provide cyber security for the era that we are zooming into. So nobody can think about AI. Nobody can believe in AI, that AI and technology is taking over the world, and the person fails to believe in cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin and Ethereum. All that you are doing is that you are working in ignorance, because AI cannot thrive without seeking security from Ethereum. And as they get those securities from Ethereum, AI will not permit us to run the era or the same way banks working. You go to bank, you go and withdraw, you take the note, you go checks and all of that. Those era cannot exist. This is because AI is taking away. So AI and cryptocurrencies work hand in hand. So the key thing is, should you decide to invest in Bitcoin and Ethereum, how much are you going to make? And that is what I want to talk about next. Please, at this point, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly take a second to click on the subscribe button. It is very important that you click on the subscribe button and help us grow this channel, so that every content we are sharing will be able to reach a larger audience. I believe you are going to do that. So thank you for doing that, and thank you in advance. So let's look at how much you and how much investment returns are you likely to get should you decide to invest in Bitcoin and Ethereum. So let's look at the first chart on the screen. So the first chart on the screen talks about you investing in Bitcoin and Ethereum for the period of 1 year, say 1st January 2025 to 1st January 2026. So this is what is projected. So if you had invested in Bitcoin, or let's say if you had invested, so let's look at currently. So today, as I'm recording the video, 20th September. So now recording this video on 20th September. So if you had invested in Bitcoin and Ethereum 20th September 2024, by September 20th, 2025, you would have made 82.18% for Bitcoin and 81.31% for Ethereum. Let's look at year to date. So if you had invested in Bitcoin, the start of the year, that is 1st January 2025 up to 20th of September 2025, as it stands now, you would have made 24.05% for Bitcoin, and you would have made 34.07% for Ethereum. That is year to date. Now, what does it mean? It means that between now and 1st January 2026, should you decide to invest in Bitcoin and Ethereum, you are likely going to make 56% profit in Bitcoin and 46% profit in Ethereum. So the question is, do I think this will happen? From what I've learned about the stock market and investment and cryptocurrencies, the answer is a big yes. This is because the best months in every year, they are October, November, December, and these 3 months are ahead of us. So even if you consider the hard months, that is from the start of the year up to August, September, you still have Bitcoin and Ethereum making 24% and 34% respectively. Then there is no doubt that the last 3 months are going to make this projection happen. I've said in previous videos that history, when it comes to investment, history does not repeat itself, but history does rhyme. They many a times rhyme. So the key thing to understand that if you consider what happened last year, that the past 1 year, you saw that they made at least, let's say, 80% return. So if they are going to make 80% return, then that shows that, or that gives us an idea that we have about 46 and 56% percentages respectively to be made on Ethereum and Bitcoin. Now let's look at the last so let's look at the last chart to show you. So the last chart to show you is investment in Bitcoin and Ethereum for the period of 5 years. So if you decide to invest, or if you are decided to invest in Bitcoin for the past 5 years, as of today, 20th September, you would have made 980.86%, 980.86%. And if you had invested in Ethereum for the past 5 years, you would have made 1,168.28%. Now, the key thing to understand is that even if you consider the year, listen, the yearly return, because we've seen the yearly return for Bitcoin and Ethereum to be around, let's say, 81, 82. So even if you look at it as 80%, that means that if every year Bitcoin and Ethereum are going to give you 80% return on any amount that you invest for the period of 5 years, 80 times 5 should be giving you 400, something around 400%. But from what I have projected, what you can see on the screen, you are seeing 980%. That is something almost 1,000% for Bitcoin over the period of 5 years. And Ethereum is above 1,000%. Now, this is what it means. It means that because of compounding effect that we've talked about, these two are able to give you something around 1,000% for investing in them for the period of 5 years. That says that if you decide to invest in 2025, by somewhere around September or October 2030, if the world has not come to an end, and if Christ had tarried, you would have made something around 1,000%. You see, I stopped here. Unlike the stock market where I went ahead to show the maximum, I decided not to show the maximum. As you can see, if I go and click on the maximum and I show you the return that I'll show you, many people will doubt and say this can't happen. But just look at it. A yearly return for both is seen to be around 80%. But when you look at 5 years return, because of compounding effect, it isn't around 400%, it's around 1,000%. Think about investing for 7 years. Think about investing for 10 years. Think about investing for 15 years. And if you are young enough, think about investing for 20 years. And I tell you, you are going to join the next millionaire shortly. Now, let's look at the last thing that I'm showing you. So what you can see on the screen is George GKE, and it is my virtual card for all crypto. You see, cryptocurrencies have got to the level that as banks are providing Visa cards and MasterCards for your debit transactions and all of that, for your online transactions and all of that, you have cryptocurrencies giving something of that sort. So that's for all crypto. This shows the gradual process of cryptocurrencies taking over the traditional banks. So please, the key thing is that they haven't happened. And when some people hear, they think like, oh, I heard about Bitcoin for a very long time ago. I heard of Ethereum long time ago. So maybe they have already reached the peak. No, there are a lot of rooms. Many people have heard of them, but they haven't invested, and they haven't gotten anywhere. There are much room for these to go high because many people are waking up to this truth. And when they join and AI takes over and Bitcoin and Ethereum take over, that is when we are going to see much higher returns. So now let me share something with you. Because of this virtual card that I have for my crypto card, if I want to make any payment with this card, I don't need to necessarily sell. All I need to do is to use the card, and they will just make the transaction from my the profit that I've made on them. And if that is not enough, then they will look at any of them to sell, and I can select any of them that should be sold automatically to make the transaction without me going into the app or going to the system to sell and push the money in my account to use, let's say, my traditional bank account card to make the payment. No, that is not. So this is what I am not a financial advisor, as I've said over and over. I'm a random YouTube guy who is sharing an idea or my knowledge that I have on how to make money to attain financial freedom. And I'm showing you what I intend to do with my money. and you can decide to do same if you want. Or all you need to do is to do your due diligence and do you. Bitcoin and Ethereum, cryptocurrency, just like investing in stock, you don't need to have huge sums of money. You can start investing as low as possible because there are many brokers that allow you to buy as very little, as little as £1, £2, £3, depending on the kind of broker you find. So, for instance, this is what I do. If I'm investing £100 every month, if I'm investing £100 every month, this is what I do. 45%, that will be like 45 pounds goes into Ethereum. 35%, which is £35, goes into Bitcoin, making 80%. Now the 20% left, because I've told you that when it comes to risk tolerance, my risk tolerance is moderate to high, and I do like taking calculated risk. And again, I am not a passive investor. I am a hybrid investor. So I combine both passive and active investor. So I am hybrid. So now this is what happens. When I invest 80% in Ethereum and Bitcoin that I greatly believe in them, I also consider some of the smaller stocks, the smaller cryptocurrencies. So I have 7 cryptocurrencies that I've selected. And when I invest 80% in Bitcoin and Ethereum, the 20% I share on the other 5 that I do believe in. Examples, I can just give you 2 examples, SRP and then Solana. There are others that have been mentioned as I make audio videos. I'm not telling you all this because I'm not telling you to go and do what I do. All you need to do is to do your due diligence and do you. It's very, very important. But all that I want you to do is that at the end of the day, be endeavor to invest in cryptocurrencies. Either you invest in only Bitcoin, or you invest in only Ethereum, or you invest in both Bitcoin and Ethereum, or you invest in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies that you believe in. In all you're doing, do your best maximum to do you. At this point, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly do us a favor by clicking on the subscribe button now. Turn on the notification bell to all so that you can get notification for all our videos. Kindly like, share your comment, use the comment section to ask any question that you have on Bitcoin, Ethereum, how to invest in this. I'll be ready, available to respond to them. I will see you in the next one. Blessing. Bye.